Nami karon sa Sentosa, sa Resorts World. But I haven't told you where we are going today. We are going to Adventure Cove. Ang tickets, if you buy it here, is $38. But nakasave si Margie, nakasave siya $8 by buying it from Carousel online. Mana mo ang Adventure Cove. Wala may ka-video kay bawal daw mag dalaw camera inside, and may action cam kay gamay ra kayo live. So kanira gid akong ma-show ninyo. Blurry pa gid siya. Pero karon man nami nag-enjoy. $30 kay katulaging gikuha ni Marge from Carousel. Ang ulit nami, way out. See you again. We'll be going out. Namili sila pictures. We are now going to Gardens by the Bay. Kaya gipangkapoy namin sa Adventure Cove. We decided nga dili na lang mag Gardens by the Bay. So we'll have dinner instead at Just Asia. Kay only ice cream and only drinks. Ice cream.
Elgin, it's so good.
Ramen to ako, ramen. Masa na siya? Tami ka
It's cappuccino, and I put milk tea ice cream.
We are in Orchard right now after dinner. Kay mag-shopping pa sila. I guess mauna na siya. I'm gonna call it a night. Kapoy kayo. Picture na.